The global tech world is holding its breath as a massive $25 billion gamble begins. Giant excavators are tearing into Texas soil right now to build the impossible dream called Terafab. Four massive industry giants are sitting at the exact same table to completely rewrite modern history. Tesla, SpaceX, xAI, and Intel have recently formed an alliance that no one ever saw coming. But why exactly would Elon Musk suddenly invite a struggling Intel into his most guarded sanctuary? And what specific benefit does Intel actually gain from joining this deeply complex new manufacturing partnership? The ultimate answer fundamentally changes everything we currently understand about the future of global technology markets. To fully grasp why this matters, we must answer one incredibly simple yet crucial survival question. What exactly does Tesla desperately need to survive the brutal manufacturing challenges of the next decade? The true answer is not advanced batteries, new electric motors, or building more massive car factories. The ultimate answer is the sheer processing power of next-generation high-performance artificial intelligence chips. Every single smart vehicle on the road today absolutely demands complex chips to run self-driving. Every new robotic humanoid needs advanced silicon brains to perceive its environment and make rapid decisions. Every single satellite orbiting our planet requires specialized processors capable of surviving intense and damaging radiation. You simply cannot easily order these highly customized components from any standard supplier in the open market. The truly terrifying reality is that all global factories combined cannot meet these rapidly growing demands. Current worldwide chip production can only supply an agonizingly tiny 2% of what is needed. Facing a severe supply shortage, buying chips in advance seemed like the only logical temporary solution. A massive $16 billion contract was quickly signed to secure a steady future hardware supply. But even that staggering amount of money could not solve the fundamental long-term supply problem. When your entire future completely depends on external suppliers, you never truly control your own destiny. This incredibly dangerous dependency forced a massive strategic pivot that shocked the entire global semiconductor industry. The bold declaration was loud and incredibly clear for every single tech executive around the world. We either build our own massive manufacturing plant or we quickly run out of essential components. There is absolutely zero backup plan available to save them if this incredibly bold mission fails. This highly ambitious new project aims to create an entirely new standard for global semiconductor manufacturing. The ultimate starting budget is $25 billion to build a fully integrated, independent production ecosystem. The primary overarching goal is generating an unprecedented 1 terawatt of artificial intelligence computing capacity yearly. The entire American country currently produces only half a terawatt of total computing power every year. This single new integrated facility plans to completely double the entire national output all by itself. What truly sets this massive facility apart is integrating the whole complex supply chain perfectly together. Complex design, advanced fabrication, incredible lithography, strict testing, and final packaging will happen under one roof. This officially marks the very first time anyone has dared to attempt such complete vertical integration. But boldly making a wild public claim is entirely different from successfully executing a flawless strategy. The crucial first building phase is strictly a testing ground covering 5 million total square feet. The primary initial objective right now is not mass production, but rather aggressive and rapid learning. Production starts incredibly slowly, with only 3,000 delicate silicon wafers carefully processed every single month. This tiny initial production volume builds the necessary foundation for processing millions of future silicon wafers. The crucial first target is the 5th-generation chip designed specifically for advanced autonomous robot driving. Starting incredibly small is absolutely necessary because building these complex processors requires decades of specialized knowledge. You simply cannot easily learn extreme atomic-level quality control by quickly reading a basic textbook. Thousands of painful experimental failures must happen before a single flawless wafer finally meets the strict standard. This incredibly steep learning curve explains exactly why an experienced partner was urgently brought on board. Intel officially announced their proud participation in this highly ambitious and deeply complex new manufacturing alliance. Their incredible high-performance fabrication skills are absolutely essential to help reach the massive terawatt goal. Almost instantly, the global tech community erupted into a fierce debate over this highly unexpected partnership. Many brilliant financial analysts argued that involving an established veteran finally made the wild vision credible. Vocal internet skeptics loudly claimed the electric car giant lacked the vital skills to build alone. The truly fascinating reality is that both divided sides perfectly capture a vital piece of truth. The experienced industry veteran brings the most advanced American manufacturing technology currently available in the world. They heavily provide superior packaging capabilities that combine multiple distinct chips into one powerful processing module. Most importantly, they directly deliver seasoned engineers who possess highly guarded secrets of advanced chip fabrication. Meanwhile, the bold visionary partner brings massive capital and enough real demand to completely reshape everything. Choosing a highly capable partner completely avoids wasting an entire decade fumbling through difficult rookie mistakes. History clearly shows similar early partnerships eventually evolved into complete manufacturing independence and massive technological dominance. This incredibly bold new alliance is bravely following that exact same proven blueprint on larger scales. The massive factory will ultimately utilize an incredibly advanced manufacturing process that does not exist yet. Betting so heavily on unreleased future technology is a massive financial gamble that terrifies careful investors. If largely successful, they instantly become the first global customer to leverage this radically powerful node. For the deeply struggling veteran company, securing this critical early customer is literally a survival moment. Without a massive major buyer, they strongly considered abandoning the competitive chip manufacturing business completely forever. One single major public partnership announcement instantly pulled them far away from the dangerous financial edge. That incredibly swift market reaction perfectly demonstrates the profound real-world influence this massive project commands. The initial massive campus construction is genuinely just a tiny starting point for an incredible journey. The final grand vision demands thousands of acres at a completely secret and unannounced geographical location. The true ultimate massive scale will easily rival the combined size of 2,000 football fields. This incredibly ambitious factory footprint will be approximately 12 times larger than existing massive competitor locations. But beneath all this massive media hype, we must honestly examine the incredibly brutal physical challenges. True objective technological analysis requires firmly acknowledging the severe obstacles that threaten to derail this vision. The first massive, terrifying hurdle is the incredible gap between the current budget and actual costs. Respected financial industry experts predict the final true cost could easily reach several trillion US dollars. That harsh reality creates a staggering financial gap 200 times larger than the current budget. However, the initial $25 billion merely fund the complex prototype phase of this daring mission. Nobody ever successfully builds the largest factory in the world perfectly during a single continuous attempt. Market leaders carefully spent 30 years and hundreds of billions slowly building their current dominant positions. The real critical core question is whether ultimate financial patience matches the incredible size of ambition. The initial massive campus construction is genuinely just a tiny starting point for an incredible journey. The final grand vision demands thousands of acres at a completely secret and unannounced geographical location. The true ultimate massive scale will easily rival the combined size of 2,000 football fields. This incredibly ambitious factory footprint will be approximately 12 times larger than existing massive competitor locations. But beneath all this massive media hype, we must honestly examine the incredibly brutal physical challenges. True objective technological analysis requires firmly acknowledging the severe obstacles that threaten to derail this vision. The first massive, terrifying hurdle is the incredible gap between the current budget and actual costs. Respected financial industry experts predict the final true cost could easily reach several trillion US dollars. That harsh reality creates a staggering financial gap 200 times larger than the current budget. However, the initial $25 billion merely fund the complex prototype phase of this daring mission. Nobody ever successfully builds the largest factory in the world perfectly during a single continuous attempt. Market leaders carefully spent 30 years and hundreds of billions slowly building their current dominant positions. The real critical core question is whether ultimate financial patience matches the incredible size of ambition. The second incredibly dangerous challenge involves highly specialized extreme ultraviolet machines that etch the complex chips. Only one single dominant company in the entire world possesses the highly specialized knowledge to build these machines. Their massive global machine order backlog is completely full for the next several consecutive calendar years. No massive amount of infinite wealth or pure engineering cleverness can bypass this brutal physical bottleneck. Every single global tech giant must patiently wait in the exact same long line for machines. The third totally unexpected natural threat comes directly from the rapidly depleting local fresh water supply. Massive existing technological factories already consume over 500 million gallons of precious fresh water annually. A massive new semiconductor facility requires hundreds of millions of additional gallons every single calendar year. The carefully chosen geographical location sadly sits directly inside a highly sensitive and increasingly dangerous drought region. Local, passionate environmental activists are already demanding strict legal mechanisms to enforce critical ecological protection commitments. This severe ecological global reality presents a profound bottleneck with absolutely no clear technological solution currently. Previously, standard computer chips were purchased at regular market prices based entirely on external delivery schedules. There was absolutely zero corporate ability to intervene and completely optimize the core fundamental silicon design. Now, advanced custom components can be perfectly optimized specifically for highly unique internal corporate software uses. The brand new hardware perfectly aligns with strict internal software demands rather than serving generic markets. This highly radical approach perfectly mirrors the brilliant hardware strategy that completely revolutionized modern personal computers. That incredibly bold historical transition dramatically doubled computing performance while simultaneously slicing device energy consumption completely. This massive new Texas factory intends to replicate that exact incredible success across an entire industry. This deeply fascinating story transcends the simple physical construction of another generic semiconductor manufacturing facility today. This incredible grand narrative ultimately details a desperate fight to completely control the global technological future. Advanced silicon semiconductors have officially become infinitely more valuable and strategically critical than traditional oil reserves. Massive financial investment shortages, extreme technological supply delays, and severe environmental limits might still derail everything. But historically speaking, the most aggressively doubted projects frequently become the exact innovations that change everything. The vital first heavy bricks are finally laid, and the spectacular global technological revolution officially begins.